Supercharge your business banking efficiency by mastering Bankline Delegation. Discover how to empower your team while keeping a watchful eye, all within your NatWest Bankline system. First things first, log into your NatWest Bankline account with your administrator credentials. This is crucial, as only administrators can manage user permissions. Once logged in, navigate to the User Management section. This might be labeled Manage Users, User Administration, or something similar. You're looking for the area where you control who has access and what they can do. To grant access to a new team member, select the option to add a new user or create a user profile. You'll need to enter their basic details, such as their name and email address. Now for the core of delegation: assigning roles and permissions. Think carefully about what each user needs to accomplish. You can assign them roles like payment initiator, approver, or even view only for those who just need to monitor activity. Crucially, you can also set transaction limits for each user. This ensures that even with delegated access, financial controls remain robust. For example, you might set a limit on the value of payments a specific user can authorize. Once a user is set up, you'll see them listed with their assigned roles and permissions. Regularly review this list to ensure it accurately reflects your team's current needs and responsibilities. NatWest Bankline provides activity monitoring tools. Take advantage of these to track user actions within the system. This allows you to maintain oversight, ensure compliance, and identify any potential issues proactively. By mastering Bankline Delegation, you unlock a more streamlined and secure way to manage your business finances, empowering your team and boosting productivity. Remember to log out securely after each session.